Hi, I'm Daryl Middledorf. I'm an oncology social worker here in the United States. I'm the executive director of the national nonprofit called MailCare, a cancer survivor and advocacy organization. MailCare was founded about 30 years ago by myself after my dad got diagnosed with prostate cancer, and I saw it as an opportunity for revenge against the disease. Very difficult to do anything at scale that would help people. There are millions of people diagnosed with cancer, so we're missing a lot of people. Now, with the videos that we've been creating for our platform Cancer Academy, we are able to reach millions of people in a way that's not only dynamic, but that people take action with. CancerAcademy.org is a platform for all cancer patients and all people who love cancer patients. It's a place where you could learn about the specific issues that cancer patients face around their treatments, their lifestyles, the side effects, the worries, the concerns, the joys of their life. Prior to HeyGen, the struggle was creating thousands at scale by a team of 6 people, all of whom are social workers or psychologists, none of whom have, video production backgrounds. Working with HeyGen's platform, we had this magic moment. 3 of us were sitting in my living room, what's become basically the shared workspace for MailCare in New York. And at the end of the day, we made 15 videos. And it was like, how did we do that? 15 absolutely worthy, publishable videos that we'll test. But basically, we accomplished a quality of work and a quantity of work that we know we couldn't have done with live people. We don't have to wait for studio time or for the original speakers to show up. We don't have to hire highly skilled people. I'm making videos at the same level or close to the same level as professionals who have 20 or 30 years experience. That's extraordinary. And we're able to leverage the confidence in our ability to make those videos in a way that lets us build an information bank that people could use 24/7, whenever they're sweating at night and wondering, what am I going to say to my doctor, or will I live through the night? They could look at a HeyGen generated video and learn that the medication they're taking does in fact have a side effect of, let's say, hot flashes in the middle of the night. That's normal, that's okay, you're going to survive the night and you'll enjoy tomorrow. What I also love about making videos for Cancer Academy with HeyGen is that we could mimic real life people in this regard. One of our breakthroughs was understanding what kind of presenter is most listened to by cancer patients. So we tested lots of different personalities, and what we found was high school science teachers are absolutely the best presenter. And we found within our support group network a number of high school science teachers who are willing to come into our homes, basically our studios, and videotape these 1-minute live videos. The challenge of that is, high school teachers teach high school and they don't have hours to spend with us. And it's like creating a movie every month, and that eats up a ton of time because creating a movie is a very time-consuming process. What we found with the HeyGen avatars is that we can actually inflict each avatar with a personality. There's a magic to HeyGen. It's that we can make an avatar feel as comfortable to watch as it is to sit with a friend in a coffee shop. We've had more than one person say, when I was a kid, I would watch television and I would imagine myself to be the friend of the television. I'd be one of those characters, and it'd make me feel comfortable. 3 people said, I get the same experience from watching those avatars. I know that's an avatar, you've told me it's an avatar, but I feel like I could have a deeper conversation with them about the very topic that they're presenting to me. And even now I could feel tears coming to my face thinking of that. that we know we've succeeded in connecting with people and making them feel at ease, reducing their anxiety, and helping them to actually hear and take in really tough information. And that's beyond magic. And the ability to use these avatars has lots of different levels. For a nonprofit like our organization, cost savings is a big deal. For an individual, I imagine it's a paramount. HeyGen makes that concern evaporate. The ability to create digital education that we can metric out, that I know which part of a video needs adjustment, and I feel comfortable returning to that video and re-editing it, redirecting the avatar to say completely different things in some cases. You can't do that with a live video. You can only do that when you have digital control over the performance of the avatar. If the avatar says something in a manner that isn't pronounced correctly, I could fix that instantly. I don't have to work with an actor who struggles to pronounce things. You know, within cancer world, there are many medications that are incredibly unpronounceable. They're multi-syllables that never should have been connected in one word. It's a struggle for cancer patients to do that. That doctors sort of force patients to understand what these multi-syllable treatments and therapies are. Being able to fix that in an avatar by showing how you could pronounce a word, that's amazing. HeyGen uniquely gives me the ability to do that. And uniquely compared to the other platforms similar to HeyGen. The ability for me to do what I'm doing and to see my team doing what they're doing at the level of help and empathy and caring that's conveyed by these videos and by these digital creations is just mind-blowing. The HeyGen editing studio is a marvel, and it's really responsible for our workflow being so efficient. The editing process doesn't interfere with my creativity. Not only makes things go faster, but it allows me not to have to think about me in the process of editing. I'm not editing, I'm creating. And that's a remarkable feeling to have. I don't feel stressed out, I don't feel scared to edit. I'm not an editor, I'm a social worker. HeyGen's superpower is that it doesn't make me feel like I'm a filmmaker. It makes me feel like I'm just connecting with people around the information I'm trying to convey. I can choose the angle that I'm shooting at, and I know that in 10 minutes I'll be able to edit this video and go in for a close-up if I need to. And I know that within 30 to 40 minutes, I'll have a completed film. The idea that I made that must be similar to the way a Martin Scorsese feels. I mean, I don't have that experience when I use Word for typing out things. You know, I don't have that experience in Adobe or any of the other platforms that I use to do image making. If there was just one thing to say about HeyGen, it's that you're going to have not just control, but you're going to have the ability to use your creativity and to use your heart in creating conversations with people you've never met. And that's really wonderful.